This video will demonstrate the process of creating a normal order. Normal orders only look at products that are flagged as reorder stocked. The order is created based on sales history and current stock on hand. This process is recommended by Minfos as best practice for generating daily wholesaler orders. From the Stock Manager module, click Order Maintenance. Then click Generate. In the order generation window, the supplier is pre-populated with your preferred wholesaler. If you are creating an order for a different supplier, update this field to the applicable supplier. Leave the two Include All checkboxes ticked. This will ensure the order considers all products in your database. In the description field, enter a meaningful description. It is a good idea to include the reason for the order, the date, and who is responsible for the order. Leave the order date as today's date. In the Order Period in Days field, enter the number of days you would like to make your current stock holding up to. Minfos recommends 10 days for a daily order. The delivery time defaults to 1 day. If you increase this number, Minfos will increase the quantity of the items that are generated on the order. Leave the Z factor, shelf pack rounding, round up after, and order types as the default values. The order content defaults to include all products. To include only dispensary or retail items, click on the drop-down menu and select the relevant option. In the checkbox section, leave Use Default Suppliers checked. If you check Include Negatives, products that have sold within the order period are marked as stocked and have a negative stock on hand quantity will be included and generate a quantity that would bring the product stock on hand back to a positive quantity. Leaving Include Negatives unchecked will include the same products but only generate a quantity to replace the stock on hand to 0. If you check Include Out of Stocks 3 months, products that are marked as stocked, have no stock on hand, and have been sold in the last 3 months will be considered. Leaving this option unchecked will only include products that are marked as stocked and have been sold within the order period. It is recommended that you check Include Uncollected Scripts, as this will take into account any scripts waiting to be collected. After you have made your selections, click Generate. The order will be generated and appear in the Order Maintenance window. You are now ready to review and send the order.